Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute apple in Procreate. I will show you how to do this step by step from creating this sketch to the outline and filling it with flat colors, and finally making it to life with shadows, highlights, and textures. So you can draw this as well. In this video, I will only use Procreate default brush. If you're new here, I'm uploading cute drawing ideas like this regularly in this channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below, so you won't miss any further episode. Now let's get started. First, we choose black color and 6B pencil and a sketching to draw the draft. Let's draw an apple shape first. Then add her stem and a leaf on top. Next, draw a wavy line in the middle to add more colors for the apple later on. Finally, let's draw her face. Now we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Choose this dark brown color and change the brush to Studio Pen and inking. Then we can start to draw outlines on the new layer. Now let's use the Ripe Transform tool to make some adjustments of the shape. Next, I'm gonna change the size of the drawing. Open the layers and swipe the draft layer to the right. Then these 2 layers are both selected. Finally, use the Uniform Transform tool to change the size and the position. Now we can start coloring. Create a new layer below the outline layer and change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on the layer below. We can directly drag and fill different areas with different colors. Just remember to paint different parts on different layers. This will help us add shadows, highlights, and textures easily later. Next, let's disable the reference function and create a new layer here, and change it to clipping mask. In this way, the new drawings will only appear based on the parent layer. Let's color the bottom part with yellow color. Now we can hide the draft layer. Then give the background a light orange color. Next, let's draw the shadows on the ground. Create a layer just above the background layer. Change the layer blend mode to multiply. Let's draw an oval shape. You can hold your pen on the canvas to get a perfect shape after drawing. Now let's change the position a little bit. Next, let's decrease the opacity to 50%. Now we can start to draw the shadow on the apple. Create a new layer above the coloring layer. Change the layer blend mode to multiply. Choose the same right color to draw the shadow. Next, let's change the opacity to around 55%. Then let's use the same method to add shadows for the other areas. Now create a new layer on top and start to draw the highlights. Change the opacity to 70%. Now I want to change the highlight color slightly. Let's choose this light yellow color and directly drag it to the highlight area. You can use this method to change the layer color at any time. Now let's add new layers for more highlights. Next, let's add some textures. Create a new layer here and change it to clipping mask. Change the layer blend mode to multiply. Choose this right color. And change the brush to the noise brush and the materials. Now we're going to draw the texture around the shadow area. Then let's move this layer down below the yellow part. Next, let's paint the texture around the yellow area in a new layer. Now let's change the layer opacity to around 85%. Same for the other parts. Next, let's add textures around the highlight areas. Now let's give the apple a gradient color. Swipe this coloring layer and tap the duplicate button to create a backup layer below. Choose the freehand selection tool and draw a random shape on the top right corner. Change the feather to 23%. Then tap the hue, saturation, and brightness under the adjustments. and change the color slightly to bright orange. Next, let's choose the outline layer and change back to the dark brown color. And change the brush back to the studio pen. Now we are gonna add more details for the apple. Now let's paint the decoration in the outline layer. First, let's choose white color to draw some flowers. Next, let's create a new layer on top. Choose a light yellow color. And change the brush to glimmer and luminance. Tap the brush again and change the spacing to max. Now we can tap the canvas to get some glimmers. Finally, let's create a layer just above the background layer. Select a light orange color. Then change the brush to the honey eater and the vintage. Now we're gonna draw a big circle as the background. Then change the opacity to 70%. Now we are done for the cute apple drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. See you next time.